We live in a universe governed by the universal laws. These laws are eternal and immutable. They are not subject to interpretation, and there is no judgment or penalty for breaking these laws. We can say that these laws are statements of conditions which, under certain circumstances, have the same procedure and the same results. Many people are not aware of these laws, but just like the law of gravity, they always operate and apply to everyone, regardless of our awareness of them. And the way to apply these laws is by representing and respecting the world around you and being empathetic to it. You also need to put action on your dreams and visions to get inspired results. This means you have to always take responsibility for your actions and constantly focus on building your positive energy. Once we apply them consciously, we can get control of the experiences, circumstances, and people that we attract into our lives. The law of divine oneness. This is the first of the 12 universal laws. The light shall set you free. The law of oneness states that we live in a world where everything is connected to everything else. All is consciousness. All is God. We are co-creators with God in a force field of oneness. Some call it the universal or cosmic mind. There is only one cosmic mind. We are all one. Everything we do, say, think, and believe affects others and the universe around us. The law of vibration states that anything that exists in our universe, whether seen or unseen, broken down into and analyzed in its purest and most basic form, consists of pure energy or light, which resonates and exists as a vibratory frequency or pattern. All matter, thoughts, and feelings has its own vibrational frequency. The thoughts, feelings, and actions we choose also have their own particular rates of vibration. These vibrations will set up resonance with whatever possesses identical frequency. In other words, your thoughts are inseparably connected to the rest of the universe. Like attracts like. As you choose good thoughts, more good thoughts of a like nature will follow, and you will also be in vibrational harmony with others with like thoughts. Law of action. The law of action must be employed in order for us to manifest things on earth. We must engage in actions that supports our thoughts, dreams, emotions, and words. The law of action states that you must do the things and perform the actions necessary to achieve what you are setting out to do. Unless you take actions that are in harmony with your thoughts and dreams and proceed in an orderly fashion towards what you want to accomplish, there will be absolutely no foreseeable results. It is here with the law of action that most people falter when pursuing success. It could be their fears or laziness that get in the way. Law of correspondence. This universal law states that the principles or laws of physics that explain the physical world, energy, light, vibration, and motion, have their corresponding principles in the etheric or universe, as above, so below, as within, so without, or whatever is above is like that which is below, and whatever is below is like that which is above. Your outer life is a reflection of your inner life. There is a direct correspondence between the way you think and feel on the inside and the way you act and experience on the outside. Your relationships, health, wealth, and position are mirror images of your inner world. Law of cause and effect. Nothing happens by chance or outside the universal laws. Every action has a reaction or consequence. We reap what we sow. The most important lesson involving human conduct and interaction is seen in the cosmic law of cause and effect. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Every human thought, word, and deed is a cause that sets off a wave of energy throughout the universe, which in turn creates the effect, whether desirable or undesirable. The law states the effect must to physical manifestation. This is why good thoughts, words, emotions, and deeds are essential for a better world, for they all create good effects. Law of compensation. Nothing happens by chance or outside the universal law. Every human thought, word, and deed is a cause that sets off a wave of energy throughout the universe, which in turn creates the effect, whether desirable or undesirable. The law states the effect must to physical manifestation. This is why good thoughts, words, emotions, and deeds are essential for a better world, for they all create good effects. Law of attraction demonstrate how we create the things, events, and people that come into our lives, our thoughts, feelings, words, and action produce energies which in turn attract like energies. Negative energies attract negative energies, and positive energies attract positive energies. Law of perpetual transmutation of energy. All persons have within them the power to change the conditions of their lives. Higher vibrations consume and transform lower ones. Thus, each of us can change the energies in our lives by understanding the universal laws and applying the principles in such a way as to effect change. Simply put, energy from the formless realm is constantly flowing into the material world and taking form. This energy is limitless and inexhaustible. As old forms are exhausted, they give way for new forms to emerge from the invisible hidden energy of the universe. Law of relativity. Each person will receive a series of problems, tests, of initiation lessons, for the purpose of strengthening the light within each of these tests lessons to be a challenge and remain connected to our hearts when proceeding to solve the problems. This law also teaches us to compare our problems to other problems into its proper perspective. No matter how bad we perceive our situation to be, there is always someone who is in a worse position. It's all relative. The spiritual and metaphysical aspects of this law of relativity tells us that everything in our physical world is only made real by its relationship of comparison to something. Light only exists because we compare it to dark. Good can only exist because we compare it to bad. Hot can only exist because we compare it to cold. Law of polarity. Everything is on a continuum and has an opposite. We can suppress and transform undesirable thoughts by concentrating on the opposite pole. It is the law of mental vibrations. We can see that you cannot have a left without a right, an up without a down, failure and success, a good without a bad, and so on. It is a world of duality. However, these opposites have no absolutes. There is not one point where you can say one starts and the other begins. It is a scale range. Law of rhythm. Everything vibrates and moves to certain rhythms. There is rhythms establish seasons, cycles, stages of development, and patterns. Each cycle reflects the regularity of God's universe. Everything flows out and in. Everything has its tides. All things rise and fall. The pendulum swing manifests in everything. The measure of the swing to the right is the measure of the swing to the left. Rhythm compensates. The law of rhythm states that energy in the universe is like a pendulum. Whenever something swings to the right, it must then swing to the left. Everything in existence is involved in a dance, swaying, flowing, swinging back and forth. Everything is either growing or dying. Law of gender manifests in all things as masculine and feminine. It is this law that governs what we know as creation. The law of gender manifests in the animal kingdom as sex. This law decrees everything in nature is both male and female. Both are required for life to exist. There could be 20 universal laws, but the 12 above are the main laws which the others are drawn from. This introduction to the 12 laws of the universe and why you need to know them now is important if you desire a more fulfillable life.